You depend on your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning or HVAC system to keep you comfortable year-round. But, have you ever stopped to think about the safety mechanisms that keep it running smoothly? One of the most important of these is the pressure switch. Pressure switches act like the watchdogs of your HVAC system. They constantly monitor the pressure of the refrigerant, which is basically the lifeblood of your system. Too much pressure or too little can spell trouble, leading to costly damage or even complete system failure. That's where pressure switches come in. These nifty devices are designed to detect abnormal pressure levels and shut down the system before any serious damage occurs. Think of them as the safety valves on a pressure cooker, preventing catastrophic explosions by releasing excess pressure. In the next sections, we'll delve into the two main types of pressure switches found in HVAC systems: high pressure and low pressure switches. As their name suggests, high-pressure switches are all about keeping things from getting too hot, literally. They're designed to trip when the pressure inside the system exceeds a safe threshold. This could be due to a variety of factors, such as overcharging the system with refrigerant, a blockage in the airflow, or even a malfunctioning compressor. When the high-pressure switch senses danger, it springs into action, cutting off power to the compressor. This prevents the compressor from working too hard and potentially burning out. It also protects other components in the system from damage due to excessive pressure. Imagine a garden hose with a kink in it. The water pressure builds up behind the kink, putting stress on the hose. A high-pressure switch acts like a safety valve, releasing the pressure before the hose bursts. On the flip side, we have low-pressure switches, which are responsible for making sure there's enough refrigerant flowing through the system. These switches are tripped when the pressure drops below a certain level, indicating a potential problem. Low refrigerant levels can be caused by leaks, undercharging, or a malfunctioning expansion valve. Whatever the reason, low refrigerant pressure can lead to poor system performance and even damage to the compressor. Low-pressure switches act as a safeguard against these issues. When they detect low pressure, they shut down the system to prevent the compressor from running without enough refrigerant, which can cause it to overheat and fail. Think of it like the oil light in your car. When the oil pressure drops too low, the light comes on, warning you to stop the engine before it seizes up. So, we've got our two pressure switch heroes, each with a critical role to play in keeping your HVAC system running smoothly. High-pressure switches keep things from getting too hot, while low-pressure switches ensure the refrigerant keeps flowing. Both are essential for the safety and longevity of your system. Without them, your HVAC system would be like a car without brakes, a potential disaster waiting to happen. Next time you're enjoying the comfort of your air conditioning or heater, take a moment to appreciate the hard work of those little pressure switches. They may be small, but they play a big role in keeping you comfortable year-round.